Hey guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I'm skiving off school so we could go to Morocco, Marrakesh for my mum's 50th birthday. And I'm only 8. Hey guys, I'm back about to go to Marrakesh and I'm with my uncle Louis. I am in Marrakesh! Have a look out the window, fellas. It's so cool. Pretty cool, right?
Coop, is this better than being in school?
Yes. Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you our riad of what it will look like when I say we're now going back to our riad after having an amazing something or doing something amazing. So yeah, I'll show you it now. He's making traditional mint tea.
Are you going to try some mint tea?
No. It's where I sleep for the duration of me in Morocco. It's just incredible. I have my own telly, I have a bed, I have 2 couches, I have a little seat here, I have a table so I can literally eat food up here. And look down here. My parents literally sleep right below me. So they can catch me if I'm watching TV in the night. See you later. I'm at the roof terrace and behind me is the Atlas Mountains. Nice. We're now going to explore Souks.
What's a souk?
Souk is a market, which is a place where the Moroccans buy food and spices.
Is that where we're going to go?
Yeah. So let's go. You come along with me? A good word to know in Morocco is balak, because balak means get out of the way from all the motorbikes that go past you every single day 24/7. Look what I just found! Some tortoises.
Want to take one home?
Yeah.
I don't think we're allowed.
To get some deer and to see some cobras, and a monkey just stole my glasses, which is a bit weird. Luckily I got it back. It's amazing!
Is there a snake charmer? Oh.
I haven't seen it yet.
No?
My dad just held a flipping cobra.
Held a cobra.
Isn't that right, Dad?
Yes, it is.
Right?
Okay. Whoa! Go.
I know we're in Morocco and I know it's the home to the cheese, but you know me, I love a good old McDonald's and we're in Marrakesh. I mean, like, I have to do it. Yeah, sorry,
Ready for some exploring?
yeah, let's go. Hopefully we can get on a horse. Hi guys, I am in the #1 roof terrace in Marrakesh right now, and with the greatest cocktail drinker,
#1 bar.
and all my friends and family. So yeah, it's very cool. We are in the secret garden hidden in the middle of Marrakesh. Let's have a look around. By the way, it's not really secret. I mean, look how many people are here. The secret garden is a great place to get away from the busyness here in Marrakesh. Hope you come here soon and see you later. We're going to the main square while riding on horses.
You're in the front with the driver?
Yeah.
Oh my. How cool is that? Yeah?
Really fun. Me and my dad came back early to the Riyadh so we can have a dip in the plunge pool. It's pretty fresh.
Go, go, go.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
You gotta go under. Your people need to see you go under.
I'm threatening me right now.
You
This is for you guys. Remember, if I do this, you have to like and subscribe. Remember, 3, 2, 1. That was for you guys. Body in.
It's really cold. You and
Body in. Body in.
It's really, really cold. I'm gonna have a heart attack.
Body in. Body in. Body in. I'm now going into the carpet district. Look how dark it is. If I don't come back to you in 5 months, be worried. The only specific carpet I'm looking for is a magic carpet. Guys, I think I found the magic carpet. Look.
Are you gonna buy it?
I don't know. I'll think about it. I'm alive! I made my way out! Yay!
What you eating?
KFC chicken.
Marrakesh KFC chicken.
Tastes the same, it's still very good.
Okay, so Cooper. So we're at the Cafe Arab, and I think we need to choose the right cocktail for our last night. Now, which one did you have last night?
I think I had lemon.
You had the lemon drop, that's right. So I'm thinking maybe an espresso martini. What do you think?
I think.
Yeah. We're at Souks.
That's a joke. I drink water and chocolate milk.
That's a joke. I only drink everything.
My time is now up in Marrakesh. And I can say it is absolutely fantastic. I have to say, chips aren't better than McDonald's. Chicken nuggets are better than McDonald's. The chicken nuggets are fantastic.